here, Southern Nevada Realtor, with another home tour in Pahrump, Nevada. Visiting the William Lyons Ventano models and the master plan community of Mountain Falls. And it's easy to find because it's the only master plan community out here in Pahrump. Pahrump is located 60 miles west of Las Vegas, pretty close to the California border, actually. And it's a town of officially 30-some thousand, but I actually think it's bigger than that. They've got a Walmart, Smith's, Albertsons, little hospital, everything out here. So it's nice, and this house that we're looking at right now, being located in Pahrump, is probably about $100,000 less expensive than its equivalent in Las Vegas or Henderson. So Pahrump's growing really fast. Lots of California transplants coming here. Lots of retirees coming here. They like the lifestyle and the low cost of living. Okay, what a pretty house. Once again, great room design, but we'll get to that later. Let's start at the front here and look what we got. Well, looks like we got bedroom 1. Decent size. I'm gonna say this is probably a 12 by 13, at least a 12 by 12. It's good size. Normal closet. Standard, not walk-in. I'm thinking this will be a coat closet. Bingo! Coat closet. What do we got here? Oh, look at that linen closet, guys. This one kind of had me stumped. I haven't been in this house, so I'm seeing it for the first time with you. All right, guys, we got cultured marble countertops, standard. All right, it's an upgrade. That's what it comes with. I'm sure that shower and tub combo are standard as well. So the one cool thing is they haven't loaded this thing up with $300,000 worth of stuff that doesn't come in the base price. Most of what you see is what you're paying for in the base price. So we got a laundry room with overhead cabinets. That would be to the garage, which is always locked. Bedroom number 2. Probably 11 by 11. But look at this. This one here has a walk-in closet. Although, I'm sorry, it's dark. Let's see if I can find a light. And the light bulb's up. William Lyons has a 3-year warranty. They better start with that light bulb. Anyways, they do have a 3-year fit and finish warranty. They're probably just unaware that it's out. Okay, so here is where we came in the home. Let's take a look at the great room. Very nice. Recessed lighting all throughout. This house has surround sound, of course. It is the model. Your kitchen granite is included. And you have 6 different colors to choose from. All right, we got a pantry here. Built-in microwave and electric stove because there's no gas in Pahrump. It's all electric. Nice big stainless steel sink. Dishwasher. And big center island with bar stool seating. Dining area. And living. I'll get you over there to see the golf course views. But obviously, this is the model home, so it's going to be on a very choice lot. So not all of these homes will back up to the golf course, but you can sure pick one that does. Nice covered patio, guys, but these are a $9,000 upgrade to the base price. That is one of the things they're not throwing in on these certain homes. Nice view though. This is a beautiful golf course the Mountain Falls is. All right, let's go find the master. And here we are in the master. Now we've just got a window in this one, no sliding doors. I'm sure they can be added. Everything can for a price. Oh, I really do like that view. Very green. Living in the desert, it's always nice to appreciate some green. It's hard to come by too. Nice big master. Probably at least 18 by 18. Dual sinks, cultured marble included. So that's actually what comes with the price of the house, guys. And I'm sure this tub shower is standard as well. Well, tub and shower, they're separate, of course. And your potty room. I don't make a big deal about potty rooms because they're just not that glamorous. Decent sized walk-in closet, not huge. Let me get back to where you can see it. Not a huge walk-in closet, but still decent size. You know, for these houses, I mean, in the low 200s starting, you're really getting a lot of houses, especially compared to Vegas prices. It's only an hour away. Another linen closet. And Pahrump's kind of a town that they got a lot less rules out here, although I will tell you, you will get a ticket if you're speeding. They don't mess around with that, but like out here, desert sports are very, very popular. Everybody's got like the Polaris Razors, and including my stepdad. He lives out here. He's in a club, and he's in the 70s. They ride those things 4 or 5 days a week on these trips, and they're all just happy as bugs in a rug. So, and you can ride them on the road out here, actually, which is pretty cool. You cannot do that in Clark County in Las Vegas. So, out here in Nye County, like I said, it's really, and it's getting closer. Pahrump is getting closer and closer to Vegas too. This subdivision's on the Vegas side, and Vegas is growing so far west that it doesn't even seem like you're out of town for any time at all, and you're already here. So many people that live out here work in Vegas and drive back and forth every day. Anyways, guys, I think we've seen this house in its entirety. I appreciate you coming on this tour with me. I had a good time looking at this home. I like it. It's pretty nice. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in Southern Nevada, new or resale, feel free to hit me up. Always happy to help. Makes my world go round. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.